You know, we've been in business since 1960, before this car was even made or before I was even born. But I went back 10 years. We've sold 324 Camaros in the last 10 years. I was looking to see how many of them were white. You had the white pace cars with the orange interior, but other than that, very few white 69 Camaros. So it's a really sharp looking car, and it's going to stand out just because it's different. Uh, we're going to go through this whole car. It's sitting on a fancy custom chassis and suspension and a Ford 9-inch and Willwood disc brakes and rack and pinion. Under the hood is a 427 that's been built to a 439. It's making about 600 horsepower. Has an automatic overdrive transmission. This thing's a bad boy. Go to volocars.com and you can see 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, Dover white, I believe it's called. This is a nice bright white. It's a tall metal cowl hood. Look how tall that baby is. And this is like white glass. I'm telling you, it's finished beautifully. Sometimes people take a white paint job and they don't go as far because it hides a lot. This thing, it's slick. The hood fits square, flush. All these lines are great. The fender is awesome. Great lines on the 69 Camaro. I love that line on the fender and the quarter panel. Shuts very nicely. There's a couple stress cracks in the paint, probably from the mirror one time wobbling or someone tweaking on it or something. But all this is slick. You got the rear spoiler, all painted real nice. All this is looking really sharp. There's a seam right here on both sides. And there's a hairline crack in the seam. All the way down to the bottom is smooth, right around the wheel well lip there. It's all smooth. That door is square and flush. Both doors shut real nicely, all slick, all the way down to the bottom. It is slick. The hockey stick stripe is painted on properly. If you look at enough of them, when they do it wrong, it drives me nuts. But this stripe is done real nice. 427 emblems. All the emblems are sparkling. The front bumper, lenses, grille, all look to be in excellent shape. Has the front spoiler. Windshield is new. The back window's new. It's sitting on some 20-inch torque thrust wheels, chrome torque thrust wheels with some high performance Nitto tires. Those are not that old. I think they're within the last 2 years. Again, the emblems are sparkling. The moldings are real nice. It has the exterior trim group. That's the gutters, the louvers, and the wheel well trim. Door handles are shiny. Yeah, back window's new. The vinyl top is excellent. Back bumper, emblem, all that's real nice too. Let's open it up. Show you that 427 motor. All right, let's look inside the trunk. Painted real nice, shiny. The jamb is slick. The weather strip is replaced. And look at inside. Real nice carpeted floor. Fits beautifully. Have some upholstered side panels. This one here is hiding a gel cell battery relocated to the trunk. And everything is lined with a sound deadener underneath all this stuff here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Check out volocars.com too. The door jambs look good. The weather strips were replaced. Reproduction door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles. Really nice interior. So the dash pad's reproduction, but you can see this whole panel is all custom. There's a polished billet instrument bezel, white faced Pro Comp ultralight gauges. It's got about 4,500 miles on this car since it's been built. It does have a custom stereo. And all this is mint. This wood grain is beautiful. I must have replaced it all. It looks real nice. The liner looks new. The vents, the handle, all looks real nice. We have some kick panel speakers. Really nice fitting carpet with SS floor mats. This is a factory style console with a quick silver B&M ratchet shifter put in place. And this is for the overdrive. It's a gear vendor overdrive hooked up to the transmission. We have factory seat belts. You probably noticed the seats by now. You can smell the leather from 10 feet away. This is soft, soft leather. This is custom hand stitched, hand sewn, not out of a catalog. Black with the white stripe, the Camaro emblems, headrest. They're nice sport seats, fit real nice. The back seats all upholstered to match, also soft, genuine leather. The side panels are reproduction. Window cranks are new. The rear speaker shelf is new. All the trim looks real nice. That little corner here came unglued. Headliner was replaced, along with the visors, the mirror. All new wiring system. Push-in fuses. We got a fancy Grant steering wheel here and a chrome-plated tilt column. Yeah, nice. Boy, I love the smell of leather. It smells good in here. Yeah, and this thing will rock and roll. It's a 427 motor. Boosted a little bit. Now, if they bored it or what, but it's a 439. Has a steel cranked, polished rods, forged pistons, solid roller comp cam, roller rockers, Melling oil pump, ARP fasteners, Clevitt bearings, Pete Jackson gear drive, fluid dampener balancer, and more. On top is a set of GM Performance aluminum heads. Got an Edelbrock aluminum RPM intake. A Holley 750 dual feed carb with premium fittings and lines and regulator. It's all for the fuel. You got an MSD ignition system back there. Set of Dynatech long tube headers. I really like the cast aluminum valve covers with the matching air cleaner. That's sharp. The engine bay is all painted white. We got chrome hinges. Got some billet fender supports. We have some braided transmission cooler lines. This goes to the transmission, to the radiator. We'll talk more about it, but all custom subframe. You can kind of see it from here. Then there is an overflow bottle for the Be Cool aluminum radiator with 2 big electric fans. It's also running an aluminum water pump with an electric water pump. So you only have the belt turning the alternator down there. There's a pump hidden back here because of the cam doesn't produce enough vacuum. It's a wild cam, so you have the vacuum pump to make vacuum for the power brakes, which have a Willwood master cylinder. Wiper motor looks fresh. Horns are hooked up. I think I mentioned that. Michael's going to show you how this bad boy runs. We'll see you in a couple minutes.
Pretty nice Camaro here. I'm excited for this one. It's got a 427 that's been punched out to 439 cubic inches, something like 600 horsepower, and it's paired with an automatic overdrive transmission. Yeah, our shop went over this car top to bottom, and really good car. You know, we had a service bill of about $3,000 on it. We did some rewired the transmission, and we did a handful of other things to it. That bill includes our detail on it, and yeah, it's just a great car. Really dialed in, stout motors, sounds fantastic. Seats are really comfortable too. They got a lot of support on the sides, around your hips too, and by your rib cage. Really nice interior on this one. Yeah, let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour, no problem. I was barely in the throttle. It's got a lot of power. Nice tight winding motor there. Feels great, steering and suspension, everything about it. The steering's rack and painted up front. The suspension all has adjustable coilovers and tubular control arms and all the goodies. Really nice 9-inch rear end. I think it's got 355 gears. Don't quote me on that. Just double check our website. But yeah, great vehicle, performs well. Really, really nice interior. And yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So as I said earlier, there's a lot of good high performance stuff underneath this car. It looks like a Heights front end. The whole subframe is custom. It has tubular upper and lower control arms, ride tech coilover adjustable gas shocks, rack and pinion steering. That subframe connects to frame connectors, so steel frames go to the back, keeps this unibody from twisting. And in back, it's a 4-link system now with tubular control arms, the coilover, ride tech, adjustable shocks. Nice fat exhaust system, goes all the way out the back. They look like Flowmaster mufflers, at least 2.5, maybe 3-inch exhaust. Wheelwood disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels, drilled and slotted, 6-piston calipers up front. You look up at the motor. High torque starter. The Turbo 350 has a finned aluminum pan, and there's a matching finned aluminum cover over the flywheel. Custom drive shaft, goes back to a Ford 9-inch rear end. And yeah, the fuel system, there's electric fuel pump. There's another cylinder on the side, maybe a filter. You can see the lines are down below the tank. That's a sump. So when the gas is sloshing around, you don't starve for fuel like you're going hard into a turn. So it's got some nice performance upgrades underneath. So this thing is a rock and roller. 4,600 miles on it, though. You can get in and drive it. That's what the overdrive's for. Get out on the highway. Go to volocars.com. Don't know when we'll have another white 69 Camaro in here again. Salesman will help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your Camaro delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.